In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve a system of equations by using substitution where the x and the y variable are not already solved for. So if we have the two equations, x minus 2y equals 22, and the other is 5x plus 7y equals negative 9. So what we would do from here is we would have to isolate one of the variables, either the x or the y. I'm just going to choose the x in the first equation because it doesn't have a coefficient, so it doesn't have a number in front of it, and it's just make our math a lot easier. So in order to do that, all we'd have to do is just add 2y onto both sides. So we're left with x equals 2y plus 22. And then from what we would do from here is we would substitute in the 2y plus 22 into the x into the other equation. So it would look like 5, and then instead of x, it would be 2y plus 22, and then plus 7y equals negative 9. And now what we do is we just solve for y. So we would start by using distributive property. So 5 times 2y is 10y. And then 5 times 22 is 110. And then plus 7y equals negative 9. And then we would just combine like terms. So do 10y plus 7y, which is 17y, and then plus 110 equals negative 9. And then from here, we would subtract 110 from both sides. So left with 17y equals negative 119. And then what we would do from here is just divide 119 by 17, and we would get negative 7. So it's y equals negative 7. And then now we take that negative 7 and plug it into the y in either one of the equations. So it doesn't matter. I'll just pick the first one because it has easier numbers to deal with. So we have x, and then minus 2, and then instead of y it would be negative 7, and then that equals 22. So the first step is just to do negative 2 times negative 7, which is positive 14, and then that equals 22. And then from here we just subtract 14 from both sides, and we would get 8. So x equals 8. So then our answer will look like 8, and then comma, negative 7.